What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Doug's Garage. Today we're going to do a side-by-side comparison to CarPro Essence Plus and IGL's Renew F4. New kid on the block, IGL. So Essence Plus has been around for quite a while. It was originally designed to help your failing coatings. Naturally, any ceramic coating is going to start degrading over time once you put it on the vehicle. This is going to seal in and help mask and fill in any marring that you have done. I've done some aggressive clay on the hood, so that marring, this is going to help take care of that and fill it in. This also leaves a layer of protection and Si02 quartz-based protection on the vehicle. So again, the new kid on the block, we have IGL's Renew F4. This just debuted 2019 in SEMA, and graphene really seems like it's going to take over the market soon. From what I've seen on the internet, even the graphene coatings opposed to ceramic coatings, and even Renew, it's less prone to water spots. So when you have all that great beading that we like to see, hell, even the sheeting, well, that water that's on the surface, once it evaporates, all of those minerals in the water is going to etch into your either clear coat or on your ceramic. So that's the biggest advantage. And if I can have a product that works, that takes care of the water spots, especially during show season with the Evo, that's probably what I'm going to be grabbing, because anytime it rains, if I'm not diligent on the ceramic coating, you wait 3 or 4 days, guess what? It's going to etch into the ceramic, and then you have to go ahead and polish it off, which you can use either of these products, right, to help polish out and take out those water spots. But if I have something that I don't have to worry about that, I can do a quick, O&R or rinse and wash. That takes, a lot of stress out of maintaining or that upkeep on the vehicle. So we all know that most customers, you let them know, hey, this is how you maintain the vehicle. And a lot of them don't. So you could throw either of these two products into your services, right? Do a paint enhancement, let them know, hey, you're going to give them several months of protection. And as you're laying this down, you come across, certain marrings or light scratches. You could just switch out your pads, get some correction because of the pad that you're using, all the while laying down protection. The swirl marks shown on the hood can be induced by improper washing techniques. And what I often see at car shows is enthusiasts will take out their quick detailer spray the panel, and then take their microfiber and wipe off. But a lot of times doing this method, you're going to drag those contaminants across the paint and therefore scratch up or swirl the surface of your protected or unprotected vehicle. All right, first we're going to start with the Essence Plus. Now, when applying this, they recommend that you allow this to dry until the vehicle is done or complete. So a minimum of about 30 minutes, and then go ahead and wipe it off with your microfiber. So we went ahead and we primed the pad, and let's go ahead and start correcting. CarPro Essence Plus, again, is a non-abrasive formula. This is a jeweling agent that you can go ahead and leave that top coat of protection on the surface. This does leave the Si02 quartz protection, and it can either be applied by hand using a microfiber applicator pad, a DA, or even a rotary. That microfiber looks amazing. You can see that. Took care of all of the swirls, right? Filled in swirls, really nice. Let's come up here to the white polishing pad. Did take care of some, right? You can still see quite a decent amount there. And then let's look at, excuse me, this was the orange cutting pad. And then here's the white polishing pad right here. And filled in, but you still have a lot. Especially something if you got a clay, if you have like a microfiber, definitely gonna be what you wanna grab for. You can tell by these results here, or even like a Euro fiber 50/50. I think that'd be the money pad right there, using this and laying down the protection. Keep in mind, this does not take the place of paint correction. So these compounds are only meant to refresh or rejuvenate your existing coating while laying down protection, giving it some extra hydrophobic abilities and self-cleaning abilities, and ultimately protecting the paint. All right, this is really watery, kind of like Sonax Cut Max. All right, so don't want to overuse the product. It's already going to be too much. So just keep that in mind when you're dropping this out. It is really watery.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Real smooth off. Yeah, expected because it is pretty watery. And that one, it's pretty much residue's gone. White polishing pad. Orange cutting. Microfiber. All right, I'm going to go ahead and apply the CarPro Essence Plus to the passenger side of the vehicle, utilizing a Lake Country block finishing pad. That way we don't have any type of cut. Again, there's no abrasives in this, and to get a true gloss unit reading, we're not going to utilize any type of cut from the pad. Done polishing the vehicle, time to take off the CarPro Essence Plus. Pretty easy as well, taking off. Not a lot of resistance. It does have more resistance though than the Renew.
Resistance is futile.
A little more fight back.
Round one, fight!
It's not bad. It's not like taking off a regular polisher compound. A lot less work. With both of its compounds, you want to apply light pressure with the polisher. You're pretty much or essentially spreading the compound evenly on the surface to make sure that it does get coated. I found both with the Essence Plus and Renew F4, it is best to only do 2 working passes before the products start dusting. Wipe off's very easy. Not really any type of residue that's left. Again, you can use this on glass, you can use it on trim, any like non-porous plastics. Wipe off is real easy. Feels like there's, it's just real smooth, real smooth.
Tennessee whiskey.
CarPro Essence Plus and IGL's Renew F4 are both designed with no abrasives in them. They're meant to jewel the paint to help you refresh, rejuvenate your existing paint, and they're both pad dependent. It was interesting to see that without any type of correction, and just putting the products head to head, which one would edge each other out. And as you can tell by the average gloss unit readings, IGL did edge out CarPro Essence for the win. With that being said, the graphene infused of the Renew F4 is a lot slicker to the touch. There's less surface tension compared to the typical Si02 quartz protection left by CarPro Essence Plus. I'd like to know your comments on what you think about graphene. Do you think it's going to take over the market? Let me know your experience and your use with each products. Hope you like what you saw. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.